Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will share about SoFi Stadium prepare for Taylor Swift show. Check out the latest work inside SoFi Stadium, with stage installations is almost complete. Take a look, early merch for Taylor Swift, the Eras Tour is now available at SoFi Stadium. Thousands of Taylor Swift fans line up for merch before first show at SoFi Stadium in Los Angeles. While opening night is just a day away, fans are already lining up outside the stadium for a chance to purchase exclusive tour merchandise. Fans camped out in front of SoFi Stadium on August 2nd to get their hands on exclusive merchandise from the singer's Eras Tour. Taylor Swift sand sculpture outside the SoFi Stadium made by Archsand Inch. Taylor Swift's historic run of 6 shows at SoFi Stadium in Inglewood is officially sold out, but there are thousands of tickets still available on the resale market.